This is my Samsung French door fridge, and I've got a water filter indicator light, which means I've got to replace the filter. So the filter is right here. So to undo the filter, I'll lift up this lid and it's gonna turn it. Keep turning. And that's the old filter out, and I'm going to put in my new filter. And that's on, and now I'm going to reset the light. So to reset the light, I'm just going to press this, and I'm going to keep pressing until it gets down to the reset filter. So now I'm going to press this button to point to, nope, that was too slow. Let me start again. I keep pressing, press that to reset, press that, and that's done. So after replacing the water filter, I'm going to run maybe 3-4 liters out until the water goes clear. So it'll just bubble for a few times. That's just normal, and I'll keep repeating until the water runs clear. This should take about 3-4 liters.